Hello guys, welcome sa channel natin and this is our new video and pag-usapan natin today is another newest and greatest new device from Tecno and this is the Common 30S. Naintriga ako kasi ang ganda ng design ng phone na to and very timely yung design niya. And syempre pag sinabing Common series, I think this is focused on their cameras, no? So let's talk about the specification of this device. So una, punta tayo dito sa list of specification niya. By the way guys, nandito tayo sa Shopee, ano? Kasi sa Shopee minsan mas kompleto pa yung mga devices dito. So dito, it says here the name is Tecno 30S. Yung memory niya is 16 gigabytes of RAM, 8 plus 8 extended. So it means meron siyang 8 gigabytes physical um, um, memory RAM and meron siyang extended na 8 gigabyte memory coming from its virtual memory. Tapos yung ROM niya or memory niya talaga is 256 gigabytes. Yung processor na nilagay dito is a gaming processor which is the MediaTek Helio G100. Really, really good. And screen size is 6.78 inch with 120 Hz eye care display. AMOLED display din to. And nakalagay dun sa list niya is actually curved display which is really, really good. Yung connection niya is 4.5G which is still good. And almost 5G yun, no? 4.5G. So we have also, since Common series to, we have a video capability of 2K video with 30 FPS or 30 frames per second capability. Sa camera din niya, kasama dito yung 50 megapixel and 30 megapixel Sony IMX896 large sensor with 50 megapixel OIS main camera with 100 MP ultra clear mode. And in-include nila dito yung capability ng back camera, which is truly wonderful. Dual SIM siya. And sadly, I think hindi nila nilagay dito kung may headphone jack o wala. So, I think wala. Same dual SIM, of course. The color is Celestial Black, Nebula Violet, and Dawing Gold. So, sa box, included niya dyan yung charging cable, charger adapter, ejector pin, warranty card, user manual, 1 year plus 1 month main device. I think yung warranty niya. Ito. Let's go back to the picture. Okay. So, additional information. It has a 50 megapixel OIS. This is IP54 water resistance. 100 MP. Hindi ko sure kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun. Pero siguro yung sensor niya yun. Next is a battery. 5,000 mAh 30 watts battery na meron siya. Next, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, curved display siya. And what else? Of course, may AI eraser siya, AI capability. What else? Yes, MediaTek G100 processor, ultra clear mode. Yan, IP54, water and splash resistant. Okay, I think that's all. Yun yung specification nitong device na to. So, very basic yung nilagay nilang specification na nakalagay dito. Para, kasi yun lang naman yung mga hinahanap ng mga basic user. And yung price na nakalagay sa Shopee, 8,279. So, you can check this device on your own sa Shopee and different online stores or physical stores. So, thank you for stopping by with our video and to our channel. Have a great day, keep safe, and that's all.